So this is Clark State Forest in Henryville, Indiana, and I'm going to see if I can find a place to stay the night. They have a horse camp and a regular camp, so it looks like it's this way. And there's some pretty fall colors starting to bloom, and I think there's a fire tower, freecampsites.net, and this is Indiana's oldest state forest, and it was founded in 1903. Oh, there's a little lake over at the side. That's cute. Pit toilets. I don't think there's any electric, but that's okay. I'm only going to be here overnight. I didn't want to drive all the way to Murfreesboro, Tennessee, to my site there, so we'll see what's up this way. Hey guys, so I found me a space to stay tonight at Clark State Forest in Indiana. I'm going to stay here overnight. It's about 5:30. I'm going to get out my stove and fix me something to eat, and then probably lay down and go to sleep, get up in the morning, go up in the fire tower, try to get some shots of the pretty fall foliage, and then head on down to my next work camping job in Tennessee. So this is a very beautiful area. There is a charge of $13 to stay the night, but I didn't really want to stay at a truck stop or rest area, so I found this place and I thought, for 13 bucks, I don't know, it's pretty and peaceful, out of the noise. So anyway, I'm going to get off here and fix me something to eat before it gets too dark. I'll catch up with you. Okay guys, so I'm at my camp spot for the night and I am cooking this dehydrated food. It's called Thrive Live, and this is an express creamy beef and noodles. Johnny and Tracy from RV SWAT turned me on to this food. It's quick and simple. All it requires is water, heated water, so it's perfect for me in my SUV. So the directions are, first I need to light my stove here. Hold on, bear with me. Okay, so I have my little Coleman burner stove, and I put 3.5 cups of water in my pot there. Shoot. Okay. Yes, it's crooked. I know. So bring 3.5 cups of water to a boil. Whisk in contents of package. Return to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer uncovered for 7 to 8 minutes. Let stand for 5 minutes. Season to taste. So it's just this packet and water. So that's what it looks like. And this is a 4-serving container. So I'll be able to save the rest and put it in the cooler and have it a couple more times. I'm hoping my pan is big enough, because I just have a really small pan. Hopefully it will be. If not, I don't know. That's the biggest pan I have. So I'm going to let this boil, and then I will put my contents in and whisk it and let it sit, and then I'll be back and show you what it's like. Alright guys, so you can see here it's boiling, and it has the meat and the noodles in it. So I'm going to try a bite real quick. I'm not doing it on camera though. That's hot. Oh my gosh. Really good though. And it took me like 10 minutes to make it. And cleanup is going to be so simple. So I would definitely recommend the Thrive Life products for sure. thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I have made it to Tennessee to my job at Amazon. It's probably going to be, I think I have one or two more videos. No, one video that I'll be, no, two. I don't know. One or two that I will post, but then it's probably going to be slow going because I will be working 10-hour days, hopefully 6 days a week. And we're not allowed cameras in at Amazon, so I can't take any footage of that work or anything like that. So hopefully I'll be able to capture a little bit of like different cities and stuff that maybe on my day off I go to. I plan on maybe going to Nashville one day, so that'll be interesting going there by myself. Yeah, so if y'all have any suggestions on what I should visit in Nashville, that would be awesome. And so anyway, if you like my video and you want to get notifications of when I release a new one, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then hit all. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at MyEmptyNestQuest. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate your loyalty, and I hope you all have a great day.